Moskva, the doomed destiny of Russia's grandest warship. The Moskva warship is more than just a vessel. It's a living indication of Russia's naval prowess and a reflection of an era marked by ambition, innovation, and struggle. Join us as we navigate through the waves of time and uncover the mysteries, the achievements, and the untold story of Russia's grandest warship, Moskva. A ship that sailed towards destiny only to find itself doomed. Before we get started, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. The sinking of the Russian warship Moskva. The Russian warship Moskva's sinking during the Russian invasion of Ukraine marked a significant event in modern naval history. As the flagship of the Russian Navy's Black Sea Fleet, the guided missile cruiser left Sevastopol in February 2022 to participate in the invasion. It played a vital role in the attack on Snake Island, working together with the Russian patrol boat Vasily Bykov. The events leading to Moskva's demise began with a demand for surrender from the island's garrison. The garrison's defiant reply, "Russian warship, go fuck yourself," marked the end of communication before the 13-member Ukrainian garrison was captured. The first report of a missile strike on Moskva came at 2042, the 13th of April 2022 Ukrainian time, through a Facebook post by a connected Ukrainian volunteer. The claim was that the ship had been hit by two R-360 Neptune anti-ship missiles, causing it to burn but remain afloat. Presidential advisor Alexei Arestovich and Odessa governor Maxim Marchenko later confirmed that the missiles had caused very serious damage. By the 14th of April, the Ukrainian Southern Command posted a video report stating that Moskva had received damage within the range of Neptune missiles. There was a fire, and a powerful explosion had caused the cruiser to overturn and sink. Hours after Ukraine's claims, the Russian Ministry of Defense provided a different account, stating that a fire led to munitions exploding. The cause was not mentioned, nor was there any reference to a Ukrainian strike. Russia reported that 396 crew members had been evacuated, with 1 sailor killed and 27 missing. However, there were unverified reports of more casualties. At least 17 of the missing crew members were later declared dead by a court in Sevastopol. Analysis of the event. An image taken by a satellite with cloud-penetrating synthetic aperture radar (SAR) placed Moskva south of Odessa, east of Snake Island, around the time when the damage occurred. Occupied by other vessels, this crucial positioning raised questions about the ship's intent and response to the situation. Reports from various sources, such as the Telegram channel associated with the Russian paramilitary Wagner Group, contributed conflicting information about the incident. Even the Lithuanian Defense Minister Arvydas Anušauskas reported the sequence of events, including an SOS signal and the eventual sinking of the ship. A Turkish official denied the involvement of a Turkish ship in recruiting any Russian crew. An intriguing element of the story revolves around the Bayraktar TB2 drone, an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, which may have observed the event and potentially played other roles in the ship's sinking. Some analysts suggested that the Bayraktar drone could have provided targeting information or distracted the crew. The ship's outdated radar system, designed to detect aircraft and cruise missiles, might have missed the drone, paving the way for the successful attack. The outspoken critic of Vladimir Putin, Russian military journalist Arkady Babchenko, hinted that a Ukrainian Bayraktar might have disabled Moskva's radar station, leaving it vulnerable to incoming missiles. The responses from the United States and Ukraine. Following the incident, a senior U.S. defense official confirmed that Moskva had been hit by 2 Neptune missiles, acknowledging the ship's continuation under her power before the sinking. This statement added weight to the Ukrainian version of the incident. On the 5th of May, a U.S. official disclosed that the U.S. had provided a range of intelligence to assist in the sinking of the Moskva, but clarified that the decision to strike was exclusively Ukrainian. This involvement sparked debates about the U.S.'s role and its influence on the Ukraine-Russian conflict. Questions arose about Moskva's triple-tiered air defense, which theoretically could have intercepted the incoming Neptune missiles. Images and video of the sinking ship. On the 18th of April, harrowing glimpses of the Russian warship Moskva in its final moments were revealed through 2 images and a short 3-second video clip on social media platforms. The pictures captured the ship listing to port, showing evident signs of extensive fire damage. Life rafts were conspicuously absent, and a large Russian rescue tug was captured at the scene, trying to control the blaze. Skeptics were quick to voice their opinions, including a senior U.S. defense official who acknowledged that while the images were consistent with the known damage, they could not be independently verified. Expert opinions from the likes of Carl Schuster, former director of operations at the U.S. Pacific Command's Joint Intelligence Operations Center, and Chris Parry, a former Rear Admiral, offered insights into the possible cause of the sinking, suggesting missile attacks. The fact that images and videos were available to the public so quickly led to widespread speculation. Various theories began to emerge, including suggestions that the footage might be fake or photoshopped. Some even questioned whether the sinking was a deliberate act to provoke international tension or to cover up an internal failure within the Russian Navy. Moskva's tale is a story of dreams, flaws, and the harsh realities that sometimes come with daring to be great. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing stories.